Ejupile Clinicals, and we are in the new offices, or should I say premises, in Bangeni, Tamela building at 30 Union Street. So literally today is our official opening, and it is with great honor ukuthi siyaqala ukufaka ama-IV drips. Sisaba ne-relationship with umhlathuze pharmacies wonke asebangeni ngoba ama-wards again bathunyelwe abantu bakhona abasuke bezofuna ukudeliver ama-wards nama-tags basuke beza ema-pharmacies bathunyelwa la ekhaya ke bareferwa e-Ejupile Clinicals bafike siba-remove ama-tags nama-wards. So you must come and get your drips done. Bantu basebangeni, bantu basemtuba, bantu basenseleni, bantu base-Richards Bay, Mthunzini, Khawini, Wozani, futhi nje angazi ngingagula. Ngisasho nina ngoba niseduze kwethu. Ngicela ukulanda laba clients ethu asuke eDandi, asuke ePhongolo, asuke eMaritzburg, eMpophomeni, eHawiki. Bayafika abantu. Come and have your beauties all done. Yikho ke skincare therapy yet psychosocial therapy. We do in-schools drug testing. We are qualified to do ama-tests, ama-drugs. Sizesimemezele ukuthi imingane yakho isola ukuthi nama-behaviorals aseqalile ahlukile mzali lethi ingane yakho sikutestelele sishintshe impilo yayo at an early age. So I know indaba yama-drugs from implementary stage umntana esayiqala. So here we are in Ejupile siphila nangayi-drip detoxa ngayo yonke indlela onga-detoxa ngayo. This is your holistic clinic. Come to Ejupile.
Ngiyabonga namuhla ukuthi ngilapho Tamela Center, Tana Road, number 30. Lapho khona indodakazi yami esebenzela khona. So ke namhla ke siyavula la kule center, Tamela Center. Kuye Tana Road eBangeni. Umsebenzi wakhe la esebenzela khona. Noma ukufike sizakale kule ndawo la eseqala uzosebenzela khona ngoba wesine nazo zisikhama ngibona ngini entozayo ngicela ukuthi wonke umuntu ofuna ukuphila noma impilo yakhe afike kule ndawo.